Good morning. First, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel, in which we cover several different markets, such as your commodities, equities, Forex, and of course, cryptos. Now, a bit of a housekeeping before we do anything else. As always, please remember that anything we should be discussing in this video cannot be perceived as an advice. Of course, if you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. And more importantly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I'd highly recommend you to do so, because that will give you notification the moment that we go live. Now, in terms of a stock market, we are seeing European markets trading more or less flat. And when we look at the US futures, they are definitely trading in negative territory, but still hovering around near the all-time high. Sorry about the throat. I think I'm coming out with something. I don't know what it is, but as always, I'll be okay. So let's carry on. So the US stock markets are still very much hovering around near their all-time high, because remember, the Nasdaq crossed above its 50-day simple moving average, and the S&P 500 and of course the Dow Jones Industrial Average, they are both trading well above not only their 50 but their 100 and 200-day simple moving averages. So this confirms that traders and investors are not concerned about anything right now. There's a lot of optimism given the fact that UK is about to begin its rolling out of its Moderna vaccine 2 weeks ahead of plan. So investors are very much saying that, okay, vaccine is very much in the focus, and as long as people are getting more jabs in their arms, things will continue to roll over. More importantly, we also had IMF upgrading the global the growth for the global economy as well to 6% from its previous target of 5.5%. So all of this really gems quite well in relation to that. Now, in the Forex market, we are trading a little bit of a weakness in terms of the euro. It is trading at 1.18. When it comes to sterling, it is also trading to the downside, retracing from its earlier levels of 1.38, now trading in around 1.37. Now, of course, the valid question is, why are we seeing that weakness in there? Well, there is no specific reason other than that we are seeing more bids for the dollar index, meaning the dollar index is moving to the upside. And of course, strength in the dollar index means more weakness for the precious metal. And by that, I mean gold price, because gold is trading at 1737. But traders are not that much worried about it, because they know as long as gold price continues to trade above the 1700 mark, the trend is likely to continue to the upside, meaning we could potentially break above the 50-day simple moving average on the daily time frame, and that is where the focus is. Now, in the crypto market, which is where things are getting a lot more interesting, is the bearish pattern, unfortunately, which has formed on the daily time frame, and I'm referring to Bitcoin's daily chart. Over there, we have a reversal pattern, a head and shoulder pattern, and in addition to that, we also have a symmetrical triangle pattern formed as well. Of course, we have discussed all of that price action in a lot more detail in our technical analysis video. So if you do have any interest, I highly recommend you to watch that. With respect to XRP, it has retraced below that $1 price mark, currently trading at 0.98. That is where the price is, but the upward momentum is likely to continue, but hopefully it will. That's all for now, folks, and I'll see you guys same time, same place tomorrow. Thank you for watching.